Do you have trouble swallowing pills? You're not alone. Many people seek omega-3s but dislike capsules. Good news? Omega-3s can come from delicious foods. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for your health. They promote heart health, boost brain function, and reduce inflammation. Let's explore tasty alternatives instead of pills. Fatty fish is an excellent source. Salmon is rich in omega-3s. Enjoy it grilled, baked, or in tacos. Mackerel and sardines are also great options. Chia seeds offer plant-based omega-3s. Sprinkle them on yogurt or oatmeal. Flax seeds are another option, add them to smoothies or baked goods. Don't forget walnuts. A handful makes a crunchy snack and is perfect for salads. Seaweed is another unique source. Find it in sushi or snacks for a tasty omega-3 boost. Soybeans also provide nutrition. Edamame is fun to eat as a snack or in salads. Tofu is a versatile source as well. Need a drink? Try algae oil, a plant-based option. Add it to smoothies or salad dressings. In summary, plenty of omega-3 foods exist. Fatty fish, chia seeds, walnuts, and algae oil are great choices. Don't let pills hold you back. Start incorporating these foods today. Get creative in the kitchen, and your body will thank you. As you enjoy omega-3s, try making a colorful salad. Toss spinach, cherry tomatoes, and avocado together, sprinkled with chia seeds. Drizzle with algae oil dressing for an extra health boost. Thinking of a main course? Bake a seasoned salmon fillet. Pair it with quinoa and walnuts for added nutrients. Finish with chia seed pudding for dessert, topped with berries and flax seeds. Small changes to your diet support better health. Consider experimenting with edamame, seasoning it with sea salt or adding it to stir fries. Seaweed, enjoyed as a snack or in soups, offers valuable omega-3 fatty acids. Eating omega-3s can be flavorful. Try a savory tofu stir-fry with bell peppers and broccoli, seasoned with soy sauce. Nourish your body through delicious foods and enjoy the journey. Prioritizing health doesn't mean sacrificing taste. Consider trying a quinoa salad that features black beans and corn for a satisfying, nutrient-dense option. Toss chopped bell peppers and cilantro for added freshness and drench it with a zesty lime dressing. This delightful mix not only provides omega-3s but also bursts with flavor, making it a perfect side dish or light meal. As you explore these flavorful recipes, remember that healthy eating should be enjoyable, so don't hesitate to make adjustments based on your taste preferences. Keep experimenting and savor each bite, transforming your meals into an adventure for your palate while nurturing your body. For a comforting dinner, consider preparing a delectable mackerel curry. Start by sautéing onions and garlic until golden, then add tomatoes and coconut milk for a rich base. Flake in the mackerel and simmer, allowing the flavors to meld together. Serve this fragrant curry alongside basmati rice, garnished with fresh herbs for a wonderful, omega-3 packed meal that warms both body and soul. Recipes like these not only enhance your culinary repertoire but also pave the way for healthier eating habits without compromising on taste.